Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to work with ordered lists. So basically we will substitute these neutral symbols with numbers and with letters and also with the Roman numbers. That will be fun. So let's clear stuff on the screen because I need a little bit more space, or in production of course do have those meta tags. And let's start here pretty much with empty page, ordered list, right? So how to do that? OL obviously, and we must close it with a /OL. That's the rule, and don't forget to use liase here. Okay, so no content for now, we'll just have one on a screen. Okay, that's a good start. So let's have something like this is row 1, and now we'll have expected result, right? So let's save a little bit of time with the copy pasting. Let's change appropriate things. So pay attention here, these numbers are hard coded by me, but these things on the left side will be done automatically. Refresh. There you go, guys. Okay, so question is, can we use something else on the left side automatically? Yes. We're gonna introduce a new attribute here. I mean, attribute will be same, but values will be different, sorry. So how to substitute these numbers with lowercase letters, characters? Can we do that? Yes, use lowercase alpha here and refresh. There you go. So you cannot use here B, C, D, that will not work. That's pretty much not a good strategy because it will return to normal operation. Normal default ones are numbers. So just use A, and there you go. What about uppercases? Well, same approach. Uppercase alpha, and the result. There you go. What about lowercase Roman numbers? Can we do that? And how to do that? Sure. Value will be how to say this in English? I don't know. I'm totally confused with A and I and E, but yeah, who cares? So that thing will just give you Roman numbers. There you go, lowercase stuff. And what about uppercases? Well, you guess how to do that. Just switch to uppercase E, and yep, that's pretty much result. So default one is a bunch of numbers, and then you can choose whatever you like here. Now obviously you can beautify these things in so many ways with CSS, but it's very nice to know this hard-coded HTML way. Okay guys? Now question is, can you mix like numbers and letters on the left side? No, that's just stupid. That's not usable because the whole point of ordering system is to have unique ordering stuff on the left side. So you cannot mix these things. If you're going to use lowercases, that's it, and that's final. You cannot mix like uppercases and lowercases and the Roman. It will just totally defeat the whole purpose of it. But on the other hand, you can on the same page in different sections, of course, use ordered and unordered list, like totally independent sections. Right, so UL and UL, and let me just copy same stuff down there, but the result will be pretty much different. So this one will be with numbers on the left side, and this thing will be just a default black dot on the left side. Okay, let me refresh that. There you go, guys. Now in between, can you have those BRs? Sure, you're not forbidden to do that, and you can also have HR and also many other things, but these two are something that we know at the moment. So yeah, sure, you can use it, right? Can you use it inside? Yes, but as I said in the last tutorial, it's a pretty much ugly thing to see. HR and HR. Now normally if you want to mess around with PHP, let's say to produce some kind of HTML report or something, Sure, you can do that and it will actually look very nice because it will probably be data will be grabbed from some kind of database through PHP dynamically. So yeah, those reports can look really decent if you use just core HTML. For example, you can have those HRs at the bottom and at the start. So let me actually fix this code a bit. I'm trying to show you how to do that. I'm gonna grab that thing and delete that thing. So yeah, you can have dynamically generated listings like that. So now, see, it's like sections, and of course you can apply different colors, like color equal red, and down there like color equal, let's say, I don't know, like blue or something like that. So yeah, that's very easy thing to do in a PHP, let's say, or even JavaScript, no problems about that. So immediately you see some kind of differentiation, like mentally, so you're not confused, you stay just in one section, so that's kind of good. But don't waste too much time on this, like manually. When you learn a PHP, you're gonna do that like in a split of second, okay? Very easy thing to do in PHP. Anyway, guys, just remember, with OL you can use it like totally through default way without stating any kind of type here, but you can use any kind of attribute like lower cases, upper cases, Romans and stuff like that. See? Cool stuff, bro. Very simple stuff to understand, nothing special, nothing scary. And as always, thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.